Morning, guys. So I'm out here at a new spot. This is a pond I've never fished. I'm out here with Matt. He's got a channel called Bassman TV. I'll link all his stuff down below. Matt seems to catch a lot of big fish, so I was pretty stoked when he shot me a message and we decided to meet up. We were actually supposed to meet up with somebody else here, but they bailed on us. So
thanks, Jake.
Yeah, what's up with that, Jake? So we're gonna fish for a while. It's supposed to get pretty windy today, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. We do have another spot that we can go check out, so if this one doesn't work for us, we'll head over there, but we're just gonna get to fishing, see if we can catch something, so stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna start with this chatterbait that I've got tied on that I've been using a bunch lately. It's actually getting really beat up. The head is knocking a lot of the paint and stuff off of it, but it's been working well for me, so. Oh, Matt's on. There we go.
You ever fished a tweak before?
Isn't it basically just like a soft jerkbait?
Yeah, it's weedless.
Nope, I haven't. It's not bad.
That Celis rod that you got, that's what it's for.
Yeah, that's what I bought that for jerkbaits because I've got a bunch of hard ones and I just never use them. I don't have a lot of...
I just started fishing this week.
Really?
Oh, man, it's like they bite the shit out of this thing.
Huh. Maybe I should...
I got a bunch if you want to use some.
Maybe I should just try throwing a jerkbait on. It's hard to tell how deep it even is. Try to move it down a little farther. Damn, I almost hit that bird. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but there's, grass all over the surface. There's a lot of grass. City of Omaha sewer. It's poo water. Rained all day yesterday. Now it's windy as shit this morning, and we got after it early. It's like 8 o'clock. It's early for me anyways. And here we are in this 20-mile-an-hour winds already, it seems like. I'm gonna give this guy a try again. Bought this the other day and used it at a different spot and didn't have any luck. I had a few hits on it, but it's weedless, right? So it should work here. So if you guys might notice that this is the rod that I used to have the SLX DC on. I finally fixed the reel that came on this rod. I needed to replace the side plate, so I did that. Man. Yeah, no kidding. I had no idea it was supposed to get this windy. It is howling out here, guys. I'm sure it's... Yeah. I don't know. One cast. See if I get tapped on this thing. I don't fish swim baits much, so. That really should be able to just swim right through, yeah. Ooh, that looks like that might work here. Yeah, you want to walk the other side? Yeah, we're gonna roll the other side of this pond, so we're not, because over here we're casting straight into the damn wind. All right, guys, we've walked down to the dam. We're gonna try fishing this area a little bit. Water's much clearer. It's much more calm over here because of the dam is blocking a lot of the wind. So I'm gonna keep going with this swim bait guy. It'd be really awesome to catch one on it. Try not to fall on my ass. I made it super clear. A lot of grass, but it's clear at least. Got one? That's on again, man. I suck. Well, Matt's over there hooking up. I'm sucking.
That's what I'm at.
I mean, it's still, it's better than nothing. I want one to hit this guy. Ooh. A little bit of no bueno going on in there. Yeah, be all right. What's up, little homie? He's picking at the tip of my rod. There we go. Yep, first one on this Lukerhunt. That's not a bad fish. That duck just like doesn't care. No, that's not bad. He choked it. Damn it, get up here. Yeah, he got that thing all the way in his mouth. He's warm. Right to his tongue, dude. I'm sorry, bud. I bet that hurts like crazy. Got it. There we go. All right, guys. Nice little bass. I mean, pound guy, but we hooked up, and we hooked up on that Lukerhunt swim bait. I'm pretty stoked on that. Let's get him back in the water here. How far can I step out? It's a little bit of a drop, but there he goes. Awesome. Pretty stoked. That's cool. Well, he hit that thing. He got it all in his mouth. Got a good hookup. So, not too bad. I want to say that's like 4 inches. 4-inch swim bait, something like that. The little dude just is not worried about us at all. Boom. Matt's on again. Ooh, that's a decent one. No, dude, you can't have that. He tried to eat my bait. Not bad?
No, not bad.
It's a,
He's got belly on him.
seems a little bit bigger than the last one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's trying to eat that thing. That's funny. I thought we were cool, man. You just want to eat my stuff. Nope. I'm gonna keep moving around. Ooh, there was I just spooked 2 bass. You see him right there? He's still in here. Oh, he's just going out.
Probably on the bed.
There was 2 big ones in here. He went out past that log. Damn it. I shouldn't have ran up on him. Well, I guess let's just start casting around again. See if I can hit another one with the swim bait.
Oh, here, I got it on camera. Mike's hooked up.
Near as big as yours.
So what? It's a fish.
Yeah.
He choked that.
He set the hook as the thing was beeping to die.
Yeah, that happened to me yesterday too. Dang, he barely got the hook too.
Right through his lip. Not too bad for the little Lukerhunt, but
all right.
Well, I guess I'll toss him back in the water. No need to weigh this guy.
Yeah. Either way, fish is a fish.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys. Well, I just caught one, and the battery died like as I was setting the hook, I believe. But Matt got it on film, so we'll get the footage from him. Yeah, second one on that swim bait, on that Lukerhunt swim bait. So we'll see if we can catch something else. I mean, I could throw the speed glide out there. Why don't I give this guy a shot again? I know there are a few snags out here, so let's hope we don't lose this. But Matt's on again. That's a big one.
Oh yeah, that's a freaking tank, dude. Holy shit. Holy crap. Can't even lift him up. I'm gonna break my line.
Yeah, don't bust off. Now that.
That's a fish.
That is the pond
That's
monster right there.
Oh, man.
That's a good one.
That's a 4.5. Look how fat.
That is an
body
awesome one,
dude.
man.
Oh my god.
That's a chub, dude.
Holy shit.
5?
414.
Ah.
I'm gonna reweigh him just to see if I can get a different number. It came up as 5.2.
Yeah, it looks like he's heavy on bed, or they're just getting done, but beat up.
415. I'm calling that a 5, dude.
That's a good one, dude. That's really good.
5. Look at that.
That is a chub. That is a chub.
Oh, I hope the camera's on. Yes, it is.
If not, I'll send you
Thank God.
what I got. I have that fear all the time.
That's a tank, man.
Just lumbering away.
Hell yeah.
That was awesome. That was awesome, man. Well, it's been a successful morning.
Redemption for that one that broke me off.
Yeah, that was a good one.
I got a picture of that one.
Oh yeah.
That was a big one.
There we go. That's not bad. Bam. Not bad. He swallowed that guy. That's not bad at all. Man, some of these guys, I can't believe how deep they're getting that hook into them. There we go. Got the swim bait out. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all, guys. I'm definitely happy with that. Really cool to see him hitting on the swim bait. Great catch, guys. Happy with that. Let's get him back in the water. Wrong way, bud. You done screwed that all up. You went the complete wrong direction. Go that way. There we go. That was rad. I thought I seen a couple swirls kind of out in front of me, so I made a few casts in that direction, and maybe that was what I had seen, but. All right, guys, well, it's windy as hell, but we did manage to catch a few fish. Matt, of course, just like I expected, he caught all the big ones. I figured he would. A couple 4-pounders, and what was that? Close to 5?
415.
We'll call her a 5. I think I hooked into a couple that were maybe like a pound. Maybe one of them was, I don't know, maybe a couple pounds. They were small, but I did catch them on those Lukerhunt Swimbaits, the Gambit Swimbaits, which they seem to work nice, but man, I tore both of them up, and I only caught 3 fish this morning. So I'm not terribly impressed with them, but they worked, so I can't complain too much. Anyways, I'll go ahead and link all Matt's social media information down below. He puts out YouTube videos on a regular basis, and he catches big fish. But anyways, guys, we're gonna run up to the store and probably go buy some more plastics and stuff like that. He's gonna show me a couple of things that he's using. So I guess that's really it. I appreciate you guys watching. Give it a like if you thought it was cool, and stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.